Pasta with lemon sauce and vegetables is a dish that combines the fresh taste of lemon with aromatic garlic and olive oil. Lemon adds freshness and brightness to this dish, making it an ideal choice for the summer season. To make pasta with lemon sauce and vegetables, choose high-quality ingredients. Use fresh spaghetti or your favorite type of pasta. Lemons should be ripe and juicy. For the sauce, it's best to use high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Vegetables such as asparagus and broccoli should be fresh and firm. 1. Cook the spaghetti in boiling salted water until al dente according to the package instructions. Drain, reserving some cooking water. 2. In a large skillet over medium heat, heat olive oil. Add minced garlic and salt until softened and fragrant about 1 minute. 3. Add sliced vegetables such as asparagus and broccoli to the skillet and saute until tender about 5 to 7 minutes. 4. Return the cooked spaghetti to the skillet with the vegetables. Add a little cooking water to create a thicker sauce. 5. Squeeze lemon juice and add it to the skillet with the pasta and vegetables. Stir to combine all ingredients well and heat through. 6. Serve the pasta with lemon sauce and vegetables hot, garnished with freshly chopped basil and Parmesan cheese to taste. Pasta with lemon sauce and vegetables is a simple yet delicious and amazingly refreshing dish that will appeal to the whole family. The combination of lemon, garlic, and olive oil creates a light and flavorful sauce that pairs perfectly with crisp vegetables and tender spaghetti.